Question number 7, part C. Right? What is question we have? Question is like this, that Mr. Rao deposited Mr. Rao Mr. Rao MI is
250.
rupees 250. Right?
Time is 3 years.
Time is time is 3 years. It means n is equal to
36.
3 into 12 is equal to 36 months. You get that? Right? This is now 3 years. She received 10,000, received amount received is equal to how much?
10,000.
10,110.
110.
This is 10,110. Right? So find the rate of interest. Oh, great. So amount we know that. So we have a formula. A is equal to mi into n bracket 1 plus n plus 1 into r upon 2,400. Right? We have this now. So what is it? Is amount is 10,110 is equal to mi is 250. Is it
Yes.
250 into how much? For 30 36 months bracket 1 plus 37 into r upon 2,400. You get this? So what we do now? 250 into 36. It is 9,000 rupees. Right? Bring this here. So 10,110 upon 9,000 minus, bring this one on this side, is equal to 37 r upon 2,400. Is it? No, it's not. It's 9,000. Right? It's 9,000, no? Oh, it's 9,000. And this is 2,400.
4.
What you have done? You have taken 9,000 as an LCM. So it becomes 10,110 minus 9,000 is equal to 37r upon 2,400. Right? So what you have done? You this two zeros and two zeros are gone, and you get how much? 9. It is how much? 1,110. 1,110 upon 90 is equal to 37R upon 24. Is it? Now 10,000 1110 minus 9,000 divided by 37. 37. Right. This becomes 30. 1110 divided by 37, you get 30. 3 times 30 becomes 90. So this is 3. And 8 times 3 becomes 24. So R is equal to 8. Or we can say rate percent is equal to 8%. You get this? I hope you understand. Okay. What next was? No. Still, second part was there. How much more interest Mr. Rao will receive if she deposited 50 rupees more per month at the same rate of interest? How much more interest? So, first of all, how much interest is there? Interest is equal to amount minus mi into n, right? So amount is 10,110 minus 2,000 minus 250 into 36. So it is 10,110 minus 9,000. What happens? Is equal to 1,110 rupees. This much interest she get at this rate, right? You make a note of it. Interest earned earned is equal to rupees 1,110, right? This is okay. Now if I rub all this, can I rub all this? So now if mi is equal to 250 plus 50 rupees more, na? So it becomes 300. Number of months R is 36 and rate of interest is how much? Is 8%. Right? So what will be the interest? Interest is equal to mi into n bracket n plus 1 by 2 into r% upon 100 into 1 upon 12. Right? So now this becomes 300 into 36 into 37 upon 2 into 8 upon 100 into 1 upon 12. This is, so how much will be?
500, 300.
That also I had seen before writing. Chalo, अच्छा. If you are saying I can do that. This is divided by 300 divided by 100, we get 3.
1236.
And this is 1 time 2 becomes 2 and 4 times 2 becomes 8. 3 times 4 becomes 12. Right? And 3 times 3 becomes 3 times 1 becomes 3. Right? So how much is left? I hope it is 36 into 37. Is any other number? No. So how much you get? That is 36 into 37. 1000. Then she will get 1332. 1332 rupees more. So increase in interest increase in interest is equal to 1332 minus 1110. It becomes 2 2 2 222 rupees. है ना? Increase in interest in 222 rupees. If MI increased by 50 rupees. I hope you get that. Done? Okay. This was 7. 50 rupees more, na? Same rate of interest and same time. What is now? 9th. You have done this. ये जो ऊपर डायग्राम बना हुआ है, triangular diagram. You have done this question. ये पूरा नहीं आया मेरे में, but what it is by the way? Should I come?
Yes.
What is this question? What is question is this? There is a. This is question number.
9.
No, it's not 9. It will be 8, I hope. C part. There was a circle. Yeah, there was a circle. There was a circle. This is circle, right? This is center. This is center. Now, there is a tangent. Right? That is P, A, and P. Right? There is another tangent. What is that?
QCD.
This is Q, this is C, this is T. That is okay. Now if we join the lines like this is not tangent by, I hope, line from center to the
In the adjoining figure, TP and TQ are two tangent
huh?
to a circle with center O touching at the A and C respectively.
Uh-huh.
If angle BCQ is 55 and
B
angle
C
Q
B C B. Where is B? Say there is B. So you have like this, you have like this, right? So angle BCQ is of 45 degree.
55
55 degree. So this is of
BA
huh?
BAP is of 60 degree.
This is of 55 na? You just
Yes.
answer me this. So this is of 55. Okay. But point is that line from center to the common point on tangent is perpendicular. But here it is not like that. Hmm? This is going like this, right? So and which other angle you are saying?
BAP
BAP. How much it is?
60.
It's of 60 degree. Okay. Now what next? Nothing next.
Find
What we have to find?
OBA
O B A. O.
OBC
Wait a minute. O. O B A. How we can find? For getting O B A, we must join this, right? So this is angle O B A. Okay. Then
OBC
angle O B C means O B C. This angle we have to join. Fine. Okay.
angle AOC
Angle AOC. Okay. Angle AOC.
angle ATC
Angle
ATC
ATC. A. Okay. ठीक. If you join this line like this and like this by construction, this is E. क्या? By construction draw line CE and A. ठीक है? Then what happens? This is chord, this is tangent. So angle between chord and tangent is equal to angle in alternate segment. ठीक है? So this is chord, this is tangent. तो ये 55 डिग्री का है. Angle between chord and tangent is equal to angle in alternate segment. But if I take this, then it should be 60 degree. Huh? If I take this, then it should be 55 degree. So will it work? What was the diagram? If you think like this, line from center to common point on tangent is perpendicular to tangent. So this angle will be of 90 degree, right? This is 60, so this is 30 degree, and OA is equal to OB, radius of circle, and angle opposite to equal sides are equal, right? So this will be of 30 degree. 30, 30, 60. This is, so this is 120 degree, right? And similarly, this angle will be of 90 degree. 90 means it's 35 degree. This is of 35. So this will also of 35. 35, 35, 70. This is 110. This is 110. When it is 110, then what happens? 30 और ये कितना हुआ? 30 and 35 becomes 65. 65 का half मतलब double will be 130. When you add all this, how much you get? 360, right? So what do you get? You get angle OBA is of 30 degree. Angle OBC is of 35 degree, and angle ADC, where is gone ADC? AOC, sorry, and angle AOC is equal to 130 degree. Is it? So what we need now next?
ATC.
ATC. Okay. This is of 130 degree. This is of 90 degree. This is of 90 degree. So in quadrilateral AOCT, sum of all interior angles is equal to 360 degree. Right, so this is of 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 130 degree plus 90 degree plus angle ATC is equal to 360 degree. Right, this is how much? 180. 310.
310.
So 310
50.
310 plus angle ATC is equal to 360 degree. So angle ATC is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree becomes 50 degree. So this angle is of 50 degree. You get it? So angle ATC is of 50 degree. If I take it like this angle is of 130. Another, so angle ATC is equal to, this is 130 na? So 360 minus 130. 130 divided by No, sorry, this is not 2. If we do that, then it becomes how much?
238.2.
How much it will come? 230.
115.
230 divided by 2 becomes, it is not ATC, it is AEC. It is of 105 degree. So this angle will be of 105 degree. 105 and 65 becomes 180 degree. So it is correct. And then we can get like this. So this is for getting the value of angle ATC is 50 degree. We have this formula on. We take this as a quadrilateral. Fine. We take it. So what you have done? Should I rub? Okay. Now question 9. What is question 9th is there? Okay. Question 9, part A. Right. Raman has 450 shares. Number of shares is, sorry, number of shares is equal to 450. Fine. Yeah. Will you give me that? Number of shares are 450 of rupees 200 of rupees 200. Dividend percentage, dividend percent is equal to 16%. Right? Find is an in find his income after paying paying 20% income tax. Income tax. Right? This is the question we have. But point is that Raman has rupees 450 shares of rupees 200 of a company paying dividend 16%. So this is what? This 200 is what? MV or NV? Hmm? If we take it as a NV, so income is 450 into 16 into 200 upon 100. Formula is what? Income is equal to, formula we have, income is equal to number of shares into dividend percent into NV upon 100. So we use this formula, right? So this is cancelled out, right? So how much you get? It's 900 into 16. Income is 450 into 2 times becomes 900. 900 into 16. 9 times 16 becomes 144. No. No. हाँ ठीक है 144 144 ना तो 144 and 20 it becomes 14,400 rupees is its income, right? Now tax paid, tax amount is equal to 14,400 into how much? 20%. 20% into 20% upon 100, right? Oh my god. 2 zeros cancel. You get 144 into 20. So how much? 0,882. 2,880. This is tax amount. So net income is equal to 14,400 minus 2,880. Getting 0. You have taken 3 from here. Here is 10. 10 minus 8 becomes 2. You have taken from here 3. It is 13. 13 minus 8 becomes 5. 3 minus 2 becomes 1 and 1. So 11. Net income is equal to 11,520 rupees. You get it? Do you understand this? 450 shares of rupees 200. Dividend is 16%. 20% he paid. Income tax amount is 2,880. Right? So that we subtracted from his income and we get 11,520 is the net income. Right? I hope you understand. This was question number 9. Great. Now what else? Hmm. Question number 9, B part. It is saying a man covers a distance of 100 kilometer. Distance covered is 100 kilometer. Speed is equal to x kilometer per hour. So time t1 is equal to distance upon speed is equal to 100 kilometer upon x kilometer per hour. So kilometer is gone. So 100 upon x hours. This is T1. Right. Now what it is saying, had the speed been 5 kilometer per hour more, if speed increased by 5 kilometer per hour more. So new speed is equal to x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Distance same, right? And it takes 1 hour less. T2 T2 is how much? T2 is T1 minus 1 hour. T2 is
T
T1 minus 1. 1 hour less it is taking. Obviously. This is we have. Now what is? We have T1. Sorry, T2. So T2 is equal to 100 kilometer upon x plus 5 kilometers per hour. So kilometer is gone. It becomes 100 upon x plus 5 hours. Now you have T2 is equal to T1 minus 1. So we write here 100 upon x plus 5 is equal to 100 upon x minus 1. So you can write it like this: 100 upon x minus 100 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1. Bring it there, put it here. 1. Now what you do? You take x bracket x plus 5 as an LCM. So what do you get? This x cancel, it becomes 100x. 100x, right? 100x plus 500 minus 100x is equal to 1. This minus 100x plus 100x is cancelled out. When you make a figure, so it becomes what? It is x square plus 5x minus 500 minus 500 is equal to 0. Is it? This is the quadratic equation you get. Now what will happen? X square plus 25 minus 20 x minus 500 is equal to 0. 25 into 20 is how much? Right. So you get x square plus 25x minus 20x minus 500 is equal to 0. You have taken x as a common, it becomes x plus 25 minus 20 as a common, it becomes x plus 25 is equal to 0. So if you take x plus 25 as a common, you get x minus 20 is equal to 0. Right. So if x plus 25 is equal to 0, so x is minus 25, so not applicable. Not applicable. And x minus 20 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. Right? So speed of the car is, so its speed is 20 kilometer per hour. What you are saying? Huh? 20 kilometer per hour, na? So if you put here 20, so it is how much? 5 hours. If you put here 20 plus 25, so it becomes 4. So 5 minus 4 becomes 1. So 1 hour difference is there. Correct. Done? This was 9th B. Okay, should I rub?